those ladies. MySpace, Facebook, Twitter. I was on my Facebook page the other day. All these buzzwords are out there. Also need to be paying attention to buzzwords. Okay, guys, does anybody have any specific questions on researching your niche, finding your niche, planning out a niche, planning out the products for the niche, anything like that? Are you guys pretty... Go ahead. Oh, wait 1 second. I'm sorry, I forgot he's got to have a mic.
You said that you look at things that have PPC of over 50 cents.
Correct.
How do you promote it? You don't want to spend that kind of money.
I'm sorry?
You don't want to spend that kind of money, so how do you promote it?
Okay, I personally don't use Google AdWords at all.
So how do you...
I promote it with affiliates. And this is something I'm going to be talking about later. But the short of this is, and Jeff actually talking about this, and Jeff is getting ready to use this strategy. ClickBank, they take a large amount of fees. People can refund like that. Everybody hates ClickBank. I love ClickBank. Why? Because they have all these affiliates that are already members of the site that I can put my product in front of, and they'll go promote it for me. So my specific strategy with my products is to have a high-paying affiliate program and have a well-built back end. So that front product I can use as what's called a loss leader product. Let's say it's $47. I'll give 75% commissions on it. I make it like, my profit may be like 5%. Could care less. I could care less if I went a couple bucks in the hole, because my back end is what's going to make me money. The continuity membership, I can throw in, with the skiing example, we've got the continuity membership, we've got selling them travel packages. I could be an affiliate for my cousin, because he does the skiing instructing and stuff like that. He charges a couple grand just to come spend the weekend with him for personal skiing instructions, and would pay me 25%, 20%, whatever the percent is. But I'm going to make a lot of money off of almost every buying customer that comes in there. So I know for every $47 I get, I may make $497. Does that make sense? And the strategy that I'm using is getting affiliates.
Another question.
Okay.
How do you find content for your continuity programs if you don't know anything about them?
You can outsource that, but my plan is to have, and this is a partnership I'm going to be working on with my cousin. So this could be a partnership you're working on somebody else who knows the information, or you can totally outsource it. But what I'm going to do is he's going to be giving monthly video content of because he travels all around the world to ski. So he's going to be like live on location. Here I am at, X location. You can see this. So he's going to be doing all the content for me. If you don't know someone, let's say in the skiing niche, if I didn't personally know someone, is what I would do is I would find a way to outsource that. So let's say I want to have somebody who provides monthly videos for me. I would go to Craigslist. Craigslist is hot for finding people to do video instructions and stuff like that. Guru.com, elance.com, all those places. I've got people who are doing, there's this new diet, the cabbage, it's not new, it's been around forever, the cabbage diet. Actually works, but as soon as you quit eating the cabbage soup, you gain all your weight back. But a lot of people are wanting to see different recipes and how those recipes are done. So I have a lady that I found on Guru.com, and it's her in her little kitchen, and she's showing different recipes of the cabbage soup diet, and that's going to be my product. So you can anything you can think of, there's somebody out there that can do it for you. You just got to find that person, and you can do it by the resources I just gave you.
Thank you.
Anybody else? You guys pretty clear on niche research? What's the most important thing about niche research? Find what they want and give it to them. Exactly. Thank you. All right, guys, that's it.